In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Discord overlay on your PC in just a few quick steps. This is super useful if you want to see Discord while you're gaming, chat with friends, and keep everything accessible without constantly switching windows. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Discord PC app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use, because the overlay setting will apply to that Discord profile. Once Discord is open, look down to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see the settings icon there, and that's what you need to click next. After you click the settings icon, Discord will take you into the user settings menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different options and categories. Scroll through that menu until you find Game Overlay. This is the section that controls whether Discord can appear over your game while you're playing. Click on Game Overlay, and now you'll see the main overlay setting on the screen. All you need to do here is enable the option called Enable Overlay. Once you turn that on, Discord Overlay will be active for your account. That means when you launch a supported game, you should be able to use the overlay features while you play. If it doesn't seem to work right away, double-check that the game you're using supports overlay and that Discord is fully running in the background. In some cases, you may also need to restart Discord or reopen your game after enabling the setting so the change takes effect properly. And that's it. You've now enabled Discord overlay on your PC. It only takes a moment, but it can make gaming and chatting so much easier. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.